Hello lovelies! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Thai street food. This street food is going to be a Thai omelet. The ingredients that you will need is vegetable oil, seasoning sauce, chicken bouillon powder, green onion, 3 eggs, and ground pork. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's get started! Once the egg is in the pan, make sure to mix gently so that the pork combines with the egg. Once one side is done, flip it over. Now you're done. Enjoy your meal. This dish is very easy to make and it's also very delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!